Hi, my name is Jonathan, and we are living in Sharia law in the United States of America. American-style Sharia law, because there are so many fucking inane laws in the United States of America. Like, you could do something illegal in the United States of America, you wouldn't even know it. I mean, this is what it's like in the United States of America. No different than living in an environment of Sharia law, where you feel like you have a guilty conscience because you're constantly looking over your shoulders because you may have done something illegal. And it's like in the United States of America, like, so many people go to jail. Like, we are the most incarcerated nation in the entire world. Like, you could go to in America, you could go to jail for 30 years for doing the most inane thing. And it's no different than getting stoned to death for, like, swallowing your spit during Ramadan. It's like, we're under Sharia law because there's so many stupid laws. Like, the other month I got a ticket for taking a right on a red and stupid traffic laws like that. But that's not the only thing. It's like, if you're poor in the United States of America, you will go to jail for poverty. You will go to jail for being poor. Because you are not an American unless you are spending, unless you have money and you are spending money. Like, I'm in Ohio now, and there are actually debtors' prisons in Ohio. I mean, there are a lot of people get traffic tickets they're not able to afford to pay. They cannot afford to pay a traffic ticket, and there are other forms of debt. In Ohio, you go to jail for being in debt. And so that's what it's like in the United States of America. You go to jail for being poor. You're considered an illegal human being if you're poor in the United States of America, because we live in an environment where you have to spend. You have to be consumer in the United States of America. For example, loitering. You can't loiter anywhere because you got to be constantly on the move, not socializing. You have to spend money. And you will go to jail in the United States of America, USA, in other words, if you were homeless. Like in Ohio last month, there was this homeless guy he's trying to recharge his cell phone, so he was recharging his cell phone at a public park. And he was considered stealing public resources, so he went to jail for stealing public resources. And in Orlando, because my brother lives in Orlando, you will go to jail if you were homeless in Orlando. So, and there's a lot of cities like that. You will go to jail if you're homeless. So it's a crime to be poor, United States of America, Sharia law, being American style. And also, I found this out a couple of years ago, it's a crime to be an amateur photographer in the United States of America. Because like a couple of years ago, there was a bus, a school bus, parked out in the middle of nowhere, and I'm a photographer. I love taking pictures, and it was a good setting for this school bus. So I was taking a picture of it, and this bus driver, didn't know she was in there, bus driver came out and said, it is illegal to take pictures of school buses now, because after the Patriot Act, it's illegal to take pictures of a lot of things. So you are not allowed to take pictures of anything public, much less a school bus. You are not allowed, it's illegal to take pictures of school buses in the United States of America because of the Patriot Act, it's post 9/11 environment, well, they think you're a terrorist. And I dare you to test out the environment by, I'm an amateur photographer, and a lot of times I get looks by taking pictures of something out in public. Test it. Go out in public and take pictures of anything. Take pictures of stuff, and you will notice, you will feel like you are being an illegal person just by taking pictures of something. It's illegal to be poor in America. It's illegal to be an amateur photographer in America. So we are under Sharia law in the United States of America. Congratulations. I love you.